Oh, I'm gonna get wet. I'm in the spray zone. Ah, he's spraying. Oh. Triceratops over here.
Dad, look at it. Sorry, I'm gonna stop. Sorry.
Nice view.
Is that a tire?
Scioto River?
Is that a
Yeah, there's a tire in there. Cool.
I can't believe why is a tire stuck in the water? I can't believe it.
There's usually something over here. But there is not. That's the exciting thing about this is it's different every year.
No, jump out.
You can go back to our YouTube channel and you can find this probably dating all the way back to 2012 or something like that. Alright.
Oh my god. Dad, look
The
at
water in her hair? Oh my gosh, our feet are gonna get wet.
Why is the bottom of the boat?
This is the 2023 edition of Dinosaur Island Boat Ride.
Look at that guy. That's I think really I'll take a picture of that.
Ooh, what kind is that, Elliot? It is very scary. Are those fossils?
Komodo dragon out? I don't see it.
Oh yeah, let's go look. Oh, I see them.
Quiet today. Oh, they don't have the misters going.
See, no one. Oh, Dad, look, it stopped flooding. It flooded. Even they moved their eyes. Oh, I know it's me. Maybe just
That almost looks like a triceratops.
The bridge. There should be music or something. Godzilla. Oh, look at this reveal.
His head is, look up.
That is humongous.
Big dinosaur.
Yes. Seated at all times. You can stay like that, though. No. No. Where's Satan? Did we bring fixers for you?
No.
Who's gonna share it?
What do we got here?
Raptors?
It is. They're very
Troodon. We're about to ram this boat here.
Hey. You did stay with me.
What's this one?
It goes.
Dilophosaurus.
Yeah. Somebody, a giant guy's coming. Yeah, what's that
I think
one?
so, yeah. That's Delta Dromius.
We rammed the boat.
Is he up to? No, I bet he's talking to you.
The otters out today?
Yeah.
I don't see any. Oh, there's one sleeping right there. Oh, look at this. Pseudopatty? I've never even heard of this guy before. Look at this. Oh, where the giant pelicans go? The website says you may get wet on this ride, but there is no single spinning dinosaurs this time. That was the big one.
Can you believe that?
What in the...
Say, ah!
And that's it. We are back in the station. How was it?
Good.
Yeah? Anything else?